How to enable or disable announce notification on speaker and iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, scroll down again, and below here in general section, you can see here this Siri. Okay, you can tap this, and below of this Siri, okay, scroll down, you can see here the announce notification on speaker. And the announce notification speaker is disabled. To enable this, you'll have to do is switch on switch button on the right side. So if this enable, Siri announce your notification to you over your device speaker. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled or disabled announce notifications on speaker and iPhone X.